Travis at Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In today's video, what we're going to be going over is the control pad features and operation for our Twilight touchscreen control pad. Okay, and the first thing you may notice is that, well, it's upside down. So we can fix that. There is a toggle button where we can flip the control pad. It's located in the upper right hand corner. So now we have our orientation correct. Let's go over some of the indicators up here at the top. And you can touch any one of these and it'll let you know what's going on. So our temp range is in high. Our heat mode is in ready. We do have ozone installed on this, which is the ozone on. The time, which is incorrect. And then we have a couple options here for our sub-menus. Now, the first one, this light here. Now, all we have to do is press it, and we can turn on and off the lights in our tub, and we can cycle through the colors. Now, each time I press the button and then press it again, it turns it on and then off and goes to a different color. Several different types of colors in here that you can switch between. And there's also the self-revolving one as well. Back to the control pad. The next one we'll go over are your jet submenu. We have two sets of jets in this tub as well as a circulation pump. This is outfitted with the Master Pure system, which includes the UV light upgrade. To initiate your jets, simply press. The first press will turn on the jets on low speed. And then the second press will turn them up to high. The third press will shut them off. If you have a second or even a third pump equipped, it'll show up on here. And again, simply press it a second time to shut it back off. Now we can go back to our main menu with this button up here in the corner. If you do have an audio system equipped, you will have an audio sub-menu in here that you can adjust some of your pairing settings. You can go forward and back in your soundtracks. And we also have our configuration settings. Configuration settings wise, you do have your heat sub-menu, so we can take heat out of the ready mode and we can put it in rest mode. What that will do is it will now only check the temperature of your hot tub when in a filter cycle. So it will passively heat the tub. We're not going to do active heating while in rest mode. If you do have a problem with your hot tub, you turn the temperature up and it never seems to go over 80, 85 degrees for some reason, this might be the problem. Temperature range. So we can kick this down to low, and that will change over from the maximum of 104 to a maximum of 99 degrees. And we'll also be able to take this tub right down to 50 degrees for its lowest set point. You know, some of the people up north, when you're not using the tub and you don't want to pay for a lot of heat, especially when it's cold out, can keep your temperature where it needs to be without worrying about freezing. Now we can adjust the time. So my time is incorrect. Let's set the correct time, which you can adjust the hours, you can adjust the minutes. So we're going to pop this ahead 12 hours here. And there we go. And again, top left can take you back to the previous menu. Any reminders you can set up if you want your reminders or not. Filter cleaning, things like that. Recommend you keep that on. Your lock menu. You can lock and unlock the panel if you want to make sure that you don't have any problems with children playing with this thing. Your filter, you can set up your filtration cycles. It'll come default usually at a 4-hour or a 6-hour filtration cycle. If you'd like to modify the time of when that happens, you simply click and then modify. And it'll adjust down here and let you know your overall filter cycle time. You can also set up a second filter cycle if you're trying to keep off-peak or high use times of the day for your home. You can split that up if you need to. And hold. Hold will actually shut off everything in your tub for 60 seconds. Usually it's just used for diagnostics. You can simply hit the back button to go back to your main menu, and it'll automatically kick everything back on, start reinitializing everything for you. Now see, we can just turn it right back on. And there you have it, the control pad demonstration for the Master Spa Twilight. Visit us at Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas.